Great morning, everyone. I hope you all are fit and fine. So today we are going to do adverbs. Rest two type of adverbs. In last two videos we have done 5 type of adverbs. Now we are going to do last two type of adverbs. Again I'm telling you, an adverb is a word that is used to change or qualify the meaning of adjective, verb, clauses or another adverb. Traditionally considered to be a single part of speech, adverb perform a wide variety of functions. Adverb normally carry out these functions by answering questions such as she always arrives early, क्यों जल्दी उठती है. He drives carefully. They go everywhere together. So these are the adverbs which tell us about the when, how, where. Jैसे what way she eats slowly, in what extent it is terribly hot. So these are the adverbs which tell us about the when, how, where, in what way or extent. So these are the adverbs. So we are going to do rest two type of adverb. So now we are going to do adverb of purpose और reason. क्या होता है purpose? reason किस काम को करने का कारण. कैसे? adverb of purpose और reason are word those express the reason and aim and target behind the happening of a particular action. उसका aim बताता है. adverb of purpose may be in the form of individual word or a group of word. The test question is why. Adverb of reason are hence, therefore, so, since, thus, because, consequently, lest, but also cause, so that, in order to, etc. These are the adverb of reason. Adverb of purpose. जैसे I was sick, thus didn't go to the work today because I was late. I jogged a little faster. कि मैं late हूँ तो तेज़ भाग के जाऊँगा. I was sick, thus I didn't go to work today. I didn't go to work today. फर्स्ट वन इज़ देयर बिकॉज आई वॉज लेट, क्योंकि मैं लेट था इसलिए थोड़ा सा भाग कर, मतलब जॉगिंग करते हुए. और आई वॉज सिक दस आई डिडंट गो टू द वर्क टुडे, कि मेरी तबीयत ख़राब है इसलिए मैं काम पर नहीं गया. सो दीज आर द एडवर्ब ऑफ रीज़न. विच वर्ड इंक्लूडेड इन एडवर्ब ऑफ रीज़न? एज, सिंस, बिकॉज, द, रीज़न, वाई. बिकॉज ऑफ, ड्यू टू, ओइंग टू, थैंक्स टू, the cause of, the reason for, an account of. So these are the adverbial clause of reasons. I don't like summer because it is hot. देखो क्या है, समर को पसंद नहीं करते क्योंकि, देखो I don't like summer because it the heat. मीनिंग सेम है, डिफरेंस कर दिया सेंटेंस की फॉर्मेशन में. क्लोज नाउन और नाउन फ्रेज क्या हुआ कि उसका डिफरेंस कर दिया. रीज़न क्लोज की बात इसलिए की कि आपको पता होना चाहिए कि विच वर्ड इंक्लूडेड इन एडवर्ब ऑफ रीज़न एंड पर्पस. रीज़न एंड पर्पस देखो इसमें कौन से वर्ड ऐड होते हैं. सिंस, बिकॉज, रीज़न नोन टू द लिसनर, रीजन्स नॉट अनोन, स्टार्ट ए सेंटेंस. सो दीज आर ये. अब इसमें ऐड होता है रीज़न नोन टू द लिसनर, स्टार्ट ए सेंटेंस कि रीज़न उस लिसनर को पता है और फिर से सेंटेंस को स्टार्ट किया. स्टार्टिंग में बिकॉज हम यूज़ करते हैं बिकॉज रीज़न नॉट नोन, दैट इज़ not added in the beginning of the sentence. So this is the adverbial clause of reason. Again I'm telling you the words which included in adverbial clause of reason: since, because, as, the reason why. Okay, because of, due to, owing to, thanks to, the cause of, the reason for, an account of. So these words are included in adverbial clause of reason. मतलब adverb of reason clause इसलिए दिखाया क्योंकि they are little bit different of the clauses, because same sentences we can apply in adverb of reasons and adverb of clause also. Okay, so let's come to the next slide. For example, thanks to the music, the film is very exciting. The alien films are frightening because of the terrible monster. The phantom is frightening an account of terrible defeats in his face. This sentences show the reasons. ये reason के बारे में बताते हैं. Okay, this is the adverbial clause of reason. So let's come to the last but not the least, interrogative adverb. Interrogative से पता ही चलता है कि we are asking the question to someone. But in which formation of the sentence? किस formation की किस sentence से we are asking question to the someone. So interrogative adverbs. Adverbs that are used to ask question are called interrogative adverbs. Say why, to, for what reason, when, at what time, where, at what place, how, in what way. Why are you crying? When will this movie end? वेयर डू यू लिव, हाउ आर यू। देखो इस रीज़न में क्या होता है, वाई आर यू क्राइंग, आस्किंग फॉर द रीज़न, वट टाइम, व्हेन विल दिस मूवी एंड, किस मूवी का एंड कब होगा, एट वट प्लेस, वेयर डू यू लिव, इन वट वे, हाउ आर यू। सो दीज आर द इंटेरोगेटिव एडवर्ब्स। फिर आता है इंटेरोगेटिव एडवर्ब्स में एडवर्ब दैट आर यूज्ड टू आस्क क्वेश्चन अबाउट टाइम, प्लेस, नंबर, मैनर, क्वांटिटी, रीजन आर कॉल्ड इंटेरोगेटिव एडवर्ब्स। हाउ वॉज द मूवी, मूवी कैसी थी, व्हेन डज द प्ले बिगिन, बिगिन कब हुआ प्ले, वेयर इज़ द न्यू मॉल बिगिन बीइंग बिल्ट, व्हाई डोंट यू लाइक हर, हाउ वॉज द मूवी, व्हेन डज द प्ले बिगिन। देखो हाउ का बता रहा है, फिर व्हेन का, वेयर इज़ द न्यू मॉल बीइंग बिल्ट, why don't you like her. So these are the interrogative words which are used in interrogative adverbs. So choose an interrogative adverb to complete each sentence. देखो when will the bus arrive, why must I get up so early, how far is it to beach from here, where do you put your garden waste, that is the park where we lost Fang, I'm not sure where he ran away. So these are the interrogative adverb. I hope you all have got about the rest two type of the adverbs. Firstly we have done adverb of frequency, then degree, then we have done adverb of reasons. Now we have completed interrogative adverb. In reality there are 7 type of adverb which we have done through the 3 videos. I hope you all have got about the 7 type of adverb. So thank you, have a nice day.